Hello guys, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna discuss the PYQs of the NCERT example of the biology, and the chapter is the human reproduction. As you all know, if you're the cbse students, that the human reproduction is one of the most important chapters, and the unit that are reproduction is also important unit. So let's start with the examples. So here we go. So our first MCQ is: choose the incorrect statement from the following. First, in birds and mammals, internal fertilization takes place. Second, colostrum contains antibodies and nutrients. Third, polyspermy in mammals is prevented by the chemical changes in the egg surface. D. In the human female, implantation occurs almost 7 days after fertilization. So the correct answer is C. Polyspermy in mammals is prevented by the chemical changes in the egg surface. Now let's talk about the second MCQ. Identify the correct statement from the following. Mark the solution what it's asking that is the correct statement. So the first is high level of estrogen triggers the ovulatory surge. Second, ogonial cell starts to proliferate and give rise to functional ova in regular cycles from puberty onwards. C. Sperm released from seminiferous tubules are highly motile. D. Progesterone level is high during the post-ovulatory phase of menstruation cycle. So the correct option is D. Progesterone level is high during the post-ovulatory phase of the menstrual cycle. So the third MCQ is: spot the odd one out from the following structure with reference to the male reproductive system. So mark one out, that is the male reproductive system. So the first option is Rita testis, second is epididymis, C. Vasa efferentia, and D. isthmus. So the correct option is D. isthmus. So fourth MCQ is: seminal plasma, the fluid part of semen, is contributed by first seminal vesicle, second prostate, third urethra, fourth bulbourethral gland. And here is the options A, B, C, and D. Different types of option is given herein. So the correct answer is B. Okay, so B in seminal vesicle, prostate, and bulbourethral gland. So urethra is not contributed in the fluid part of semen. So the fifth MCQ is: spermation is the process of the release of sperms from, and that is a very important questions regarding to the NEET examination. Spermation. So the first option is seminiferous tubules, B. vas deferens, C. epididymis, and D. prostate gland. So the correct option is A. seminiferous tubule. So the sixth MCQ is: mature Graafian follicle is generally present in the ovary of a healthy human female around A. 5-8 day of menstrual cycle, B. 11-17 day of menstrual cycle, C. 18 to 23 day of menstrual cycle, D. 24 to 28 day of menstrual cycle. So the correct option is B. 11 to 17 days of menstrual cycle. So let's go to the seventh MCQ. So the seventh MCQ is: acrosomal reaction of the sperm occurs due to. So the first option is its contact with the zona pellucida of the ova. B. Reaction within the uterine environment of the female. C. Reaction within the epididymal environment of the male. And D. Androgen produced in the uterus. So the correct option is A. Its contact with the zona pellucida of the ova. Sometimes it's also given the layer corona radiata. It is the first layer, but you have to remember that the second layer is important. So the eighth MCQ is: which of the following is not a male accessory gland? First, seminal vesicle, B. ampulla, C. prostate, and D. bulbourethral gland. So the correct option is B. ampulla. So the ninth MCQ is: the immature male germ cell undergo division to produce sperm by the process of spermatogenesis. Choose the correct one with the reference to above. Spermatogonia have 46 chromosomes and always undergo meiotic cell division. B. Primary spermatocytes divide by mitotic cell division. C. Secondary spermatocytes have 23 chromosomes and undergo second meiotic division. D. Spermatozoa are transferred into the spermatids. So the correct option is C. Secondary spermatocytes have 23 chromosomes and undergo second meiotic division. So the 10th MCQ is of the match the flowing, not the match the flowing type. Yeah, it's a match the flowing type. Match between the flowing representing parts of the sperm and their function and choose the correct option. So it's the column A and the column B, and you have to choose the correct option with regarding to the column A and B. So the option is given here. The first is head, middle piece, C. acrosome, D. tail, and the column B: enzymes, sperm motility, energy, and genetic material. So you have to take the time and choose the correct option. So now I will tell you the answer. So the correct answer is B. So the next MCQ is 11th. Which of the following has 23 chromosomes? A. Spermatogonia, B. Zygote, C. Secondary oocyte, and D. Eugonia. So the correct option is here secondary oocytes. And this question, this type of question is very important with regard to both the CBSE and the NEET examination. So the 12th MCQ is match the following and choose the correct option. Trophoblast, cleavage, inner cell mass, and implantation. Here they given embedding of the blastocyst in the endometrium, group of cells that would differentiate as embryo, outer layer of blastocysts attached to the endometrium, mitotic division of zygote. So the correct option is B. So the third MCQ is which of the following hormone is not secreted by human placenta? A. HCG, B. Estrogen, C. Progesterone, and D. LH. And this is also a most important question with the both regarding the NCRT, CBSE and the NEET examination. So the correct option is D. LH, luteinizing hormone. 14 MCQ is the vas deferens receive duct from the seminal vesicle and open into urethra as first epididymis, B. ejaculatory duct, C. efferent D. ureter. So the correct option is B. ejaculatory duct. Now the 15th MCQ is urethral meatus refers to the first urogenital duct, B. opening of vas deferens into the urethra, C. external opening of the urogenital duct, D. muscles surrounding the urogenital duct. So the correct option is C. external opening of the urogenital duct. 16 MCQ is morula is a developmental stage. First, between the zygote and the blastocyst, B. between the blastocyst and the gastrula, C. after the implantation, D. between implantation and parturition. So the correct option is A. between the zygote and the blastocyst. So the 17 MCQ is the membranous cover of the ovum at ovulation is first corona radiata, B. zona radiata, C. zona pellucida, D. chorion. So the correct option is A. corona radiata. So the 18 MCQ is identify the odd one from the following: A. labia minora, B. fimbre, C. infundibulum, and D. isthmus. So the correct option is A. labia minora. So here this is all about the all NCRT exemplar questions of the human reproductions. If you have any doubt with regarding to the MCQ which is given this video, then comment me. I will give you a solution of this. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my video.